Enable COD. Cash on delivery or COD is a customer favorite. Want to enable it on your storefront and boost your sales? Let's dive right in. First up, how do you enable COD on your storefront? Log into your SmartBiz dashboard and head to Profile. Click on Manage Payments and then set up Cash on Delivery COD. Now, toggle the COD option to on. You can even set additional charges for COD, which will apply to all COD orders. Don't forget to save your changes. And just like that, COD is live on your storefront. Customers can now place COD orders instantly. But wait, there's one important step. You need to complete KYC and verify your bank account with ShipRocket to receive payments for COD orders. Check out our Cash on Delivery KYC guide for more details. So, how do you ship COD orders? Simple. First, link your ShipRocket account with SmartBiz. Navigate to Profile, Delivery Settings, Manage Courier Partner for detailed setup instructions. Once you receive a COD order, ship it using ShipRocket. After successful delivery, the payment will hit your bank account within 7 to 10 business days. Easy, right? Got questions? Let's answer some COD FAQs. Can you disable COD after enabling it? Yes, but only if you have activated at least one online payment method for your store. Can you start shipping COD orders immediately? Absolutely. But remember, you'll need to complete ShipRocket KYC to receive payments. For self-shipping, check with your courier partner's guidelines. How will you receive your COD remittance? If you are using ShipRocket and have completed KYC, you will get the payment within 7 to 10 business days. For other courier partners, follow their KYC and remittance guidelines. And that's everything you need to know about enabling and managing COD on your storefront. Ready to give your customers more payment options? For more handy tips and guides, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more updates.